This is the workshop launch page. Your workshop name is provided right here. And the type of workshop is provided right here. If you click on the exercises link, it will take you to the comprehensive walkthrough for that particular workshop type. Clicking on the presentation deck link will take you to a PDF guide for your workshop. These slides are meant to be taught in conjunction with the exercises. To get your assigned workbench, type in your name and email and click Submit. Visual Studio Code is the IDE for Ansible Workshops. Click on the link to open up your VS Code web user interface. Visual Studio Code includes an in-browser terminal, a file manager, and text editor. The workshop exercise and solutions can be found in your home directory. VS Code includes syntax highlighting for Ansible playbooks, which are written in YAML. The terminal can be opened by clicking Terminal and selecting New Terminal. Ansible Navigator can be executed on the command line right in your browser window. Shortcut keys, cut and paste, and escape work exactly like they do on any modern terminal. Since this is running real Red Hat Enterprise Linux and not an emulator or simulation, any Linux can be run. As you can see in this demonstration, this machine is running RHEL 8.4. If you need to refer to walkthrough exercises, clicking any Markdown guide will render a preview inside VS Code. To open the Web UI and Automation Controller, go back to the launch page and click the link. The password is the same as what you use to log into VS Code. The username will be admin. Some job templates, credentials, and inventory may be pre-populated depending on the workshop type that has been created. In this workshop, the inventory has been pre-populated so you can browse it immediately and start executing job templates. Finally, the last option on the launch page is direct SSH access to your control node. This is a backup option in case you experience problems with or are not satisfied with Visual Studio Code.